In this video, let me show you how you can open your After Effects. Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. So let's begin the video. Make sure to open the project you want to export. Then on the top, go to Composition, select Add to Render Queue. After that, head to Render Settings below. Set your quality and resolution over here. Then click OK once done. Go to the Output module over here. After that, you can set your format right here. I will choose QuickTime, then I will hit OK. Next, go to Output, select your path location. I'm going to place this to downloads over here and click Save. And you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.